Okay, got a little two-door refrigerator here. Let's see what this thing is. Oh, I think it's... Okay, I got here, and unit was off, but when I took off the high side access Schrader cap, it was leaking out real bad. And then when I pulled out the Schrader, all the beads started shooting out at me from the dryer. So I had to replace the dryer, and when I went to take off the dryer, it wouldn't come out, so I had to do a little hero surgery here. Clean off the steel and put a little piece of pipe around it. It'll work. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. If you got a choice of putting a piece of copper on the inside or outside, always put it on the outside. Okay. We're on the pressure test right now. So it's got a leak. This unit, I did put a little bit of refrigerant in it last year, so who knows, it's got a pinhole leak somewhere, I'll bet. I'm betting probably, I think it's probably on the inside. The outside looks pretty tight. I double checked everything, so I think we're looking okay on the outside here, even though that condensate loop really needs to be changed out. That is in bad shape. In the pan. Water goes in, just goes out the side, I'm sure. So this unit's got to be old, man. 134A. Gotta be old. It's got to be at least 10-15 years old. Okay. Been on a pressure test for 20 minutes, and it's holding rock solid. Once it stabilized out after a few minutes at 163.6, it hasn't moved in 15 minutes. 13 minutes. Yeah, it's been solid, rock solid for 15 minutes. That's nice. So hopefully that high side is where it was always leaking before. We're good to go. You gotta put this thing on a vacuum. Okay, here it is in the hole. There's no frogs at. Suction. Thing back there. Liquid. 42 degrees. So here we go. Okay guys, this is the dryer. When I took the access valve out of here, I pulled it out to change it out, put a little pressure in the system. All the beads from here came up the Schrader and blowing out in my face like that. Check that out. But yeah, that dryer was broke up. I'm glad it didn't plug up the cap tube. I think it's okay, but dryer just broke up. Not cool.